السلام علیکم ګرانو لیدونکو د نن ویډیو زموږ د مختصره جملو په باره کې ده چې په روزمره ژوند کې یې موږ همیشه استعمال کوو چې ډېرې خوندورې او اړینې جملې دي. هیله کوو چې تر پایه راسره پاته واوسیږئ. اوله فکره ده زموږ سره How are you doing؟ ته څنګه یې؟ How are you doing؟ Where are you from؟ ته له کومه ځایه څخه یې؟ Where are you from؟ I am from Koita. زه له کویټې څخه یم. I am from Koita. What do you do؟ ته څه کار کوې؟ What do you do؟ Have a nice day. ښه ورځ ولرې. Have a nice day. See you next time. بیا به سره وګورو. See you next time. How old are you؟ څو کلن یې؟ How old are you؟ Don't worry. فکر مه کوه. Don't worry. Who is there؟ هلته څوک دی؟ Who is there؟ There is a boy. هلته یو هلک دی. There is a boy. I am busy right now. زه اوس مهال مصروف یم. I am busy right now. Don't come in. دننه مه راځه. Don't come in. How is your illness؟ ستا ناجوړي څنګه ده؟ How is your illness؟ I feel much better today. زه نن ښه احساس کوم. I feel much better today. May Allah recover you. الله دې صحت درکړي. May Allah recover you. God bless you. الله دې وساته. God bless you. What do you want؟ ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want؟ I want a cup of tea. زه یو ګیلاس چای غواړم. I want a cup of tea. I will bring it. زه درله راوړم. I will bring it. Thank you. ستانه مننه. Thank you. I don't have time. زه وخت نه لرم. I don't have time. Please apologize me. ماته بخښنه وکړه. Please apologize me. That's not a problem. هیڅ خبره نشته. That's not a problem. I agree with you. زه ستا سره متفق یم. I agree with you. What do you mean؟ ستا مطلب څه دی؟ What do you mean؟ Don't waste the time. وخت مه ضایع کوه. Don't waste the time. Time is very important. وخت ډیر قیمتي دی. Time is very important. Thanks for suggesting. د مشورې راکولو دې مننه. Thanks for suggesting. What to do؟ څه کول پکار دي؟ What to do؟ I have an idea. زه یو سوچ لرم. I have an idea. Can you tell me؟ آیا ته ماته ویلی شي؟ Can you tell me؟ We should play football. موږ باید فوټبال وکړو. We should play football. I am going to sleep. زه ځم چې ویده شم. I am going to sleep. Because I am so tired. ځکه چې زه ډېر ستړی یم. Because I am so tired. I came late. زه ناوخته راغلم. I came late. Have a good night. ښه شپه ولرې. Have a good night.